Today's project, the latches that lock the Titan fridge slide in. We're going to join them up with this bit of flat bar so that way you can do it one-handed. In the last video I made, we went over how to turn a Titan fridge slide into a tilt, and this one's just to make it easier to pull it in and out one-handed. I've already cut the flat bar, so now I'll just prep it up ready for a weld. Let's just tack weld it in place. Not very well because that just popped off. Try that one again. But you saw that it works, so I'll go ahead and finish all the welds on it. Clean them up and paint them. Alright. Welded, ground up, ready for paint, but tilts, one hand. Lovely. There it is. So, if you're not a welder, like I said in the other video for the tilt slide, if you got a bit of angle iron drilled and rivet into the top of the latches, I say angle iron just because it'd be brace a bit better, wouldn't bend and flex, whereas if you had the flat bar mounted on top, it would bend. But yeah, that's it.